John had 183 stickers. After he gave 1/3 of it to Yenni, he had 95 stickers fewer than Yenni. How many stickers did Yenni have at first? Right? So we have John at first, and we know he gave 1/3 to Yenni. So if we read this fractional statement, we must understand what the 3 units here represent. Okay, he gave 1/3 of it to Yenni. So it means this 1 unit was given to Yenni, and this 3 units is the of it. And this of it refers to the original stickers that he had. So can you now tell this 3 units actually represents the 183 stickers, right? So to find out what he gave to Yenni, which is 1 unit, you can actually just use 183 and divide by 3. So now we know he gave 61 stickers to Yenni. Alright? And after giving, he had 95 stickers fewer than it. Alright, so we have a comparison statement here. So to represent all this information moving forward, again, you can use a before change after diagram. Okay, so I think that would be the best in this case. So let's talk about before. In the before section, we know John has 183. No need model for that because 183 is just an actual value already. So 183 for John. Now, do we know what Yenni has at first? You notice we have no information, right? Because anyway, that's what we want to find. And how many stickers Yenni have at first? So you can just put a question mark for Yenni. So Yenni must have probably held on to some stickers already. Okay, just that after John gives to Yenni, then she has more now. So we're going to show the change next. Draw an arrow to show the change. So the change is what John gave to Yenni. So John gives 61 to Yenni, so John minus 61. No, but because Yenni is also receiving, right? Yenni is the receiving person. So Yenni's stickers would have to increase by 61. So plus 61 for her. So there's a change for both of them. And then we can move on to record the after. So for the after part, what we know is in the end, John has 95 fewer than Yenni. When you have such a comparison statement, fewer than, you can just simply sketch a very simple model at the end. Okay, so the word fewer than, just sketch a model will do, a small one will do. So John, smaller than Yenni by 95. That, okay, so we have recorded down the before, change, and after. So now the next thing is, we should check, can we work forward or backward? So you notice that I have more information for who? I have more information for John. Because I have John's before, I have John's change. But for Yenni, I do not have her before, neither do I know her after. Alright, so use John to begin working your way around the question. So if you look at John, I have his before, I have the change, which means that you can work forward to find his after here. So working forward means you just need to take 183 minus 61 to find John's after. So John after will be 122. So this unit here will be 122, which also means this unit here also 122. Can you see with this 122, I can now find Yenni's after? Because Yenni is 95 more than John. So 122 plus 95 is Yenni's after. So I'll strongly suggest everyone to label the steps, okay? Because when you do before after question, your value must be clear. You must be clear, is it referring to the before or is it referring to the after? And somehow you have 2 people involved. So Yenni after I know is 217 now. Okay, so this whole stretch is 217. And if you read the question, they say Yenni at first. They want Yenni at first. So yes, you have Yenni's after. Now you can work backwards to find Yenni's before. So if forward is plus 61, backward is the opposite. That means 217. Okay, it's indicated there, 217. So backwards to find Yenni at first, simply 217 minus 61. Because forward is plus, backward is minus. and there'll be 156 stickers at first.